I want to take a moment to show you one of my favorite tools in the Dragonmetrics platform. It's called URL X-Ray. And in everything we do in Dragonmetrics, one of the things we focus on is something called holistic SEO, meaning that Dragonmetrics is an all-in-one platform. So we have data from so many different places. For example, we collect keyword ranking data. We've got both from tracked keywords and also from our research database of 600 billion SERPs. We've got site audit data, technical and on-site technical SEO issues. We've got Core Web Vitals data where we're going to find out how your site's performing with user experience. We can track your indexation using Google Search Console to see when the last time Google crawled your site. We've got backlink data, lots of backlink tools, internal link tools, Google Search Console data, and Google Analytics data. So lots of different data all in one place. But Dragonmetrics, whenever we can, we try to put all that data together in one place so it's more than a sum of the parts. So it's not just internal link data is over here, backlink data is over here, rank tracking data is over here. We try to put it all together. And no tool does this better than a tool called URL X-Ray. And that's what we're looking at today. Now what we can do is, if we know the URL we want, all we have to do is just paste it right in here and hit go. And that will jump directly to URL X-Ray. And this is like saying, hey Dragonmetrics, tell me everything you know about this one URL. But the cool thing about this is it's connected throughout the platform. So anytime you see a URL on your site that you want more information on, all you have to do is click on it, right? So if I was in keyword rankings and I would say, oh, this keyword is ranking number 7, here's the URL, I click on it, and that's what I get. If I'm on Google Analytics traffic and I click on a page, we're gonna get to the same place. If I'm in the site auditor and I say, what's going on with this page? I click on it, that goes to URL X-Ray. So wherever I am in the platform, it's always just one click away to say, hey, what's the meta description like? Or how much traffic are we getting? Or where's that traffic coming from? Or when did Google crawl this site last? Whatever question you have, it can be answered on URL X-Ray. So let's take a look. What kind of data is available there? So first off, we can see the title of every page, the page authority, the HTTP status. Dragon Link Score is, this one is like internal PageRank. We take the PageRank algorithm, we run it for your internal links for this website, and that's what we get here. We can see is it indexable in search engines. Not is it indexed, we'll take a look at that later, but is it indexable? And if not, why not? We'll explain why right there in the top header. And how many clicks it takes to get to this one from the home page. Then we dive into the content tab, and this one comes from our site auditor tool, where we're going to look at the page title, the pixel width of the title, and whether it fits on the Google SERPs, the meta description, canonical URL, the language tags, content tags, robots.txt, xrobots, paging tags, open graph tags, Twitter cart tags, hreflang tags inbound or on this page, and also inbound hreflang tags to this page. We can also check the optimization. So are you using your targeted keywords in the right content areas? And then issues from our site auditor that say, hey, this one is low impact and low effort. Maybe you want to do it, maybe not. And you can choose ones based on that. And here's all the issues with a detailed explanation of what you might want to fix there. We also get a detailed Google Lighthouse report for your page experience. We can see exactly how to fix performance problems for this particular page. And we can go through all the details all right here on the page speed tool. We look at the entire site all at a high level in the Core Web Vitals page, but whenever we want more details, all we have to do is click on the page and get the Google Lighthouse report. So that can be really useful to see it that way. We can also see the detailed indexation status. We connect with Google Search Console in real time for their URL inspection tool to see one click away, when did Google crawl this last? What's the canonical URL? Which sitemaps was it on? Is it mobile friendly? All those things that Google knows, you're gonna be able to find it right here. Now you can do that in bulk over time on the indexation tracking tool, and then if you want to see the detailed indexation details, you click and you can get to that right there, but it's nice having it right here. You can also see the images, file size, and any issues that we might have found with any of those images. We can see the tracked keyword rankings, but if you're not tracking that many keywords, you can see all the ranking keywords from a research database of 600 billion SERPs. You can see the internal links to this page all right here, and the anchor texts that are being used when linking to it internally. You can also see the backlinks to this URL and the history of those backlinks, trended over time, and a list of all the backlinks to this page. You can see the outbound links from this page to both internal and external websites. See all those links right here. You can see the Google Search Console clicks and impressions and all the keywords that it's being found for, and the Google Search Console GA4 sessions and conversions on a daily basis or in summary, and see the traffic source. And all this is available for any URL on your site. Anytime you want more information, you just click, and you're going to get that same data reloaded in URL X-ray and be on your way to be able to find whatever you want. And again, if you see something that's not indexable, we'll show, oh, it's not indexable. Why not? Because it's redirected URL. Or if it's something that's non-canonical, maybe like this. Okay, well, this one's blocking all robots. That's why it's not indexable. But we can see lots of other reasons why that might be the case as well, because it's a non-canonical URL, and this is the canonical URL. So you click on that, and now you can analyze this page instead. URL X-ray, it connects all your data from all over the platform for one URL at a time. Incredibly useful tool.